How to add gradient onto text in Photoshop. So we've opened up Photoshop, we've got our background layer. I'll just put a black color fill over it. And then we've got our type layer, which I don't have any text there just yet, so I'll add some text. So that's what we want. So once you've selected your text, double click the layer, go to gradient overlay. This will automatically apply your gradient. Now you've got a few options to edit your gradient colors and everything. So drop down this box here or just double click. Now here you can add a certain color. You can remove certain colors, so just pull it up. You can move where you want the colors to sit and how you want them to blend. You've got some presets here as well that are really cool. You can use these and kind of edit the colors from there on. You know, pull it right in. And that's about it. So that's how you make your gradient. You've got options here that you can play with. It's just the way the gradient sits. You've got linear, radial, angle. You've got all these other options like the shape of the gradient that's applied. Yeah.